New makeup tutorial, Arctic Dogs, Jade, and I made this headband. I'm so excited to use it. Let's begin. This is the character design I created, so I'm going to draw this on my face using an eyebrow pencil. Eyebrows are down, everything's mapped out, let's get painting. I'm laying down the medium colors of the fur and then slowly adding darks, and then I will layer it all up and then add highlights. I have the majority of the fur done on my face, so I'm covering my neck now, and then I'll be building up all the highlights on the fur and then moving on to the coat. Don't forget those ears. Tickles. It really does. Ah! Working on the jacket, just getting this little patch done. Going over all of the brown, and I'm going to start creating all of the detailed shading on the jacket. Here we go. Time to detail the shirt. It's time to attach the ears and then smooth my hair back so I can get painting on it. The ears are on, the hair is secure, and now I'm going to paint over my hair and blend it into the face. And now it is time for the eyes, which is the part that I always save for last just so it doesn't crease. Painted on the eyes and eyelashes and eyebrows. I'm waiting to do the final details on the iris after I do the mouth and the fur, and then we're gonna be done. Get your wool prepared. I am going to be gluing this to the sides of my face to sculpt that fox shape. I have now trimmed my foofs so they are fabulous and the perfect amount of floof for a fantastic fox. I just popped in some teeth and I am all done. What do you guys think? I really like it. By the way, you should totally hit that follow button so you see more crazy things like this.